Hi, Aida with Hardscape.com. We're here at Chairside 2024 in Bologna. Yesterday, if you followed us, we announced our fantastic innovation of finishing developing on our permeable pavers. And now, like we announced, we will have another innovation for our residential applications. Most of you are familiar with our 5cm urban application, heavy-duty products, which don't fade, don't scratch, all those great specifications for porcelain for our commercial applications. We have a lot of residential clients that want this look as an accent, as an entryway to their homes, carports, and sometimes it's inaccessible or unattainable for them. We have completed testing as well on the same product, 4x4s, 4x8s, 8x8s, 8x16s, now in a 4cm thickness, which is a little thicker than 1.5 inches. Why aren't we just going with our 3 centimeters, which are residential rated? Because the smaller the size, the thicker we have to go to assure that the installation doesn't have movement. And we've finished testing and we understand that 4cm is now attainable without the worry of heavy traffic like an urban application. Our residential customers can now get our cobblestones, and we will be making them in 4 centimeters for them to be accessible to that clientele. We're super excited about this new innovation. Keep following us. Come see us if you're in Bologna. Again, we're in Pavilion 25. Our booth number is 826. We're excited to see all the customers, and we thank you for having come out so far this week, and we're here to receive you. Thank you.